Hello, this is Lucy. In this video series, I'm going to summarize 5 basic folding methods in Chinese paper cutting. Today, we are going to learn two-way continual, which is also called consecutive double square principle. The first thing you need to have is a piece of paper. In this folding and cutting method, we need a rectangular shaped paper. If we want to cut a single symmetrical pattern, we can fold the paper into half and draw a pattern. I'm going to use the pattern on the left, but you can create your own. When you are drawing, you need to pay attention to the direction. You don't want to have a broken pattern like this one. So, when we draw the pattern, we need to follow the closing side. We are cutting out the black part. Now, you have a complete whole pattern. We are going to do one more step and make the single pattern become double. Still, the first step is to fold the paper into half, and we fold it again. I'm still going to use the same pattern. Maybe a little bit change. But this time, when we do the drawing, besides pay attention to the drawing direction, we also need to have some connection points. Like this one. Okay, I have 3 connection points here. The connection points are connections for the pattern connecting to each other. We can see the single pattern becomes 2 now. What if I fold the paper into half 3 times? I'm going to draw a flower, and here will be my connecting point. When you create your own pattern, don't forget to design the connecting point. Okay, let's see how many flowers I have. 4. Now, a question for you. I have 8 trees in a row. How many times did I fold the paper? The answer is 4 times. If you noticed that the pattern we made today looks like a belt. Yes, it's the feature of two-way continual. You can fold the paper into half as many times as you want. The more fold you done, the more continual patterns you will have. That's it. That's all for today. If you would like to learn the other folding method, don't forget to subscribe. And also, after I finish the basic folding method, I will share some pattern design. If you are interested, subscribe now and you won't miss it.